Hey everybody, Mark Segala here from Elifin Realty, taking a look at the upstairs units of the Ivy Courtyard apartments that we got listed for sale for $3.5 million. So we're going to take a look at a couple of these units up here. You can see we've got the pool area down to your left. This is one of the upstairs units in the corner that had a little bit of roof damage. That they had some leaks coming through, and as you can see, they just kind of patched up the drywall. The roof is about 15 years old and will probably need to be replaced here in the next few years. We're working on getting some pricing for that now. So if there's any other things, the roof is really the biggest deferred maintenance issue with this property. Other than that, all of the units, especially the downstairs units and most of the upstairs units, are in great shape. So if you want to walk through, very similar floor plan again. That is the 2-bed, 1-bath, a little under 800 square feet per unit here. Again, you've got the stackable washer and dryer here. We're going to take a look at a few more upstairs here at the Ivy Courtyard. It's another unit that is in great shape, move-in ready for August when the students start moving back in. It's going to get fully occupied in here, so a great opportunity to walk through these units now before some of the tenants move in for the fall semester. Also, we're going to take a look at one more unit out here that had a little bit of the roof leak that got into the unit. All in all, as you can see, it was finished out very nicely with all the appliances and countertops. Not a whole lot of work that needs to be done on any of the interiors except for 3 of them. 3 of them have the water damage that will need a little bit of work in terms of cleaning up the inside and potentially fixing the roof system. So as you can see here, we've got another great investment opportunity for investors looking for cash flowing property. It's currently already producing an income that could potentially produce even more income for you. So great investment property in the multifamily sector, right at the north gates of LSU, just steps away from campus. If you want to take a look out here, you can definitely see the campus and the new Nicholson Gateway development that's right next door. That's got the shopping center and a little shopping retail center at the bottom. That's got some restaurants, a grocery store, things of that nature. So perfect spot for a student that wants to be living on campus and wants to be able to walk to wherever they need. So great opportunity here for an investor to make so a lot of profit on it. So sounds great, guys. Again, my name is Mark Segala, multifamily specialist here at Elifin Realty. Feel free to reach out with any questions about the property.